Welcome back, friends, to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to share Facebook ad account access. If you own a business and are having a person or agency manage your Facebook ads account, here is how to grant them access to your account and your Facebook page. In this method, you'll need to ask them for their Facebook business ID. Go to the Add Accounts tab in Business Manager settings. Select the ad account, click Assign Partners. Assign partner by copying the business ID. Enter their business ID there. Select the access of Manage Campaigns or Manage Ad Account if you want to give them admin access. Or simply send them your ad account ID. They can request access and you'll receive a notification to accept the request. Your ad account can be found in the URL string of your ad account after ACT, like here. In order for someone to run ads for you, they will also have to have access to the page that will be associated with the ads. If you have their business ID, go to the Pages tab in Business Manager settings. Select the page, click Assign Partners. Assign partners by their business ID after you copy it and enter it there. Select the access of Publish Content, for example. Or simply, you can send them the URL of the Facebook page. They can request access to it and you'll receive a notification to accept the request. And that's it, guys. As simple as that, how to add or grant access to another person to your Facebook Ads Manager. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.